welcome to my new blog post 50. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the project manager's sphere of influence with respect to the industry. At this sphere is at this level, the sphere of influence of the project manager is quite low, or you can say it's nothing at all. Project manager normally observes the industry and uh, create and develop those kind of strategies which are required to the project, and they are actually being influenced by the industry standards. So let's start to look into this blog in more detail. So actually the project manager needs to stay informed about the current industry trends, so and the standards. So he need to look upon like what is going on in the industry at the very moment. So the project manager normally takes this information and process that information, and he actually process that after processing that information, he need to analyze that, and he need to find out the impacts and imply those impact and after making a strategy, he need to imply those strategies or the results on the current projects. For example, there is a change in the dollar rate. So there are various trends that are going into the market, and some of them are like product and technology development. There are many niches that are new, and they are continuously changing with this. uh, there are various standards in the market, for example, project management, quality management, information security management. There are lots of technical support tools that are available in the market, in the industry, and they are required by the project. So he needs to look into those support tools for his team in order to fulfill the project needs. Economic forces that impact the immediate project. For example, there could be a change in the dollar rate, or there is some kind of embargo posed upon some kind of uh, uh, mm, country which may impact the project. Uh, there are various influences affecting the project management discipline. For example, there is any change in the government policy with respect to taxation, and that has a directly impact on the project. Various process improvement and sustainability strategies which are actually outside the project, but they may impact the project. So I hope so you have understood the concept about the industry. So let's start with our start question now. So a project manager has a low or limited influence on what kind of a factor? So the first option is organizational manager. Second option is PMO. Third option is project team, and fourth option is market trends. So answer lies within this video. So you need to see this video again and again in order to find the correct answer. And please do not forget to post the answer of this video or this question in the comment section of this video.